This is a 1999 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.1-liter V6. Features include air conditioning, a passenger side airbag, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a chrome grille, dusk-sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.